Here are some answers to common questions Northern Kentucky home sellers ask. Hi, I'm Amy Allwell with Keller Williams Realty. When is the best time to sell my home? Since curb appeal is so important, springtime is great because the seller is able to landscape, paint, or repair problems to get the outside looking good. Yet, you will usually have less competition and the serious buyers still look during the cold winter months. How is the real estate market right now? Currently, we have shifted into a seller's market, a great time to sell your home. What are seller concessions? Seller concessions allow a homeowner to contribute a percentage or a dollar amount towards a buyer's closing cost and or prepaid items. Should I price my home higher to leave room for negotiations? A well-priced home will sell quickly and sell closer to the listing price. There is no need to leave room for negotiations, as it will cost a seller more money than if they priced it correctly to reflect the market value. Once again, I'm Amy Allwell with Keller Williams Realty. Thanks for watching.